Hi guys, welcome to C++ project series. So in this particular week, we'll be seeing the data analyzer project. So what is the CSV data analyzer project? Is basically this is divided into four parts where we give the some CSV data, some CSV file as the data input, and then we try to extract information from that. We try to ask whatever we require from that particular data into the system, and then it retrieves the value instead of first manually searching that. So in this first part, we'll be basically building the overall structure. We'll be trying to open the file and then we'll be dividing that individual words into, I mean, the entire line into individual words and giving it as the input for the order from the CSV to the vector. So let's see the code. So here we have the load CSV vector. So initially opening that using the read-only mode if stream file. That whatever the file path, and then we try to open the file. If we are able to open the file, then nothing, then we proceed. If you're not able to open the file, then we give error message saying could not open the file, followed by the file path. After that we have the line where it loops each and every line. It takes the input as input of each and every line, and then we have a vector row where it has information of each and every row. We have the start variable as 0. Then we iterate to each and every line from 0 to the end of the line's length, and then we have two conditions. One is either the line ends. One more is if we if the comma occurs. If we encounter a comma, then we stop it. Then we remove only the first from the first part till that particular part. If it is comma or the end of the line, we push it back to that vector whatever we had, and then we remove the start. We increment the start by 1. So then finally we push everything into the row, so that row contains each and every word in that particular row without commas and so on. Now after that, after all this has happened, we say successfully loaded data from the CSV file. Now we have three functions: display info, basic statistics, and filter data. We'll be seeing all these three in the next three videos. And then comes the main function where we say welcome to CSV data analyzer and all these things. And then we check if the data is empty. If it is empty, then we return 1, or else we have to display all the whatever the options we have. That is the data analyzer, that is display data info, show basic statistics, filter data, exit, and then we ask the user to choose an option. Then whatever the user enters, then we have the if else loop to get that option from the user, and then we give the input. We'll know whatever we have to do after we give this as the input. Now let me run the program. So it's asking me to enter the file name. I'll give data.csv. It says successfully loaded data from the data file. Now whatever options I have to choose is out of these four, so I have to choose the options, which I don't think it will work now because we have not given any logic behind those three functions, my bad. So we'll be working on those three functions in the next videos. I'll just give one option and show it to you. One, so it's again it prompts us for, so only exit is working because exit doesn't need any function to be made. So let me submit the program. Alright, so discuss the past, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.